Zeus versus Red Ragnar.
Zeus versus Ragnar.
Ng Grand Champ. Yabang nadulas pa. Pero yabang maglakad. Ano to guys, hindi nakakalam, top 2 American bully siya worldwide, si Zeus sa ABKC. Yan yung kalaban niya, Grand Champion, si Red Ragnar. Malaki pusta rito.
Let's go.
Yo guys, good morning. Ayan o. Ayan o, aga natin ngayon o. Lakad natin ngayon. CBR Honda Big Bike Ride. Ngayong gabi, dog show. Pero ngayon, ayan muna. Okay. Ayan na, pila-pila na uli. Pila-pila na. Lalabas na kami dito sa HSTC. Pupunta kami dun sa sa Ted's Kitchen. Yun yung pupuntahan namin. Saan ba yun? Santa Rosa ba? Santa Maria? Parang Santa Maria eh. Kasi kung Santa Rosa sobrang lapit eh. Santa Maria, Laguna yata yun. Tapos mamaya dog show tayo, international show, ABKC. Sobrang busy natin ngayong araw na to. Magagawa natin parehas ang hilig natin. Ngayong umaga motor, tapos mamayang gabi aso naman, American Bully dog show. Yeah, enjoy lang tayo guys. We're going. Ayun o. This is the starting point. Ayun o, on the big bike. Yung mga flagship pa, sila boss. Alright. Ano kaya kakainin namin doon? Di pa naman ako nag-rise ngayon. Yun, mga taon na mga inline 4. Nandito kami ngayon, expressway. Siyempre ride pura, gawin ang gusto. Tapos mamaya dog show. Mamaya pala guys, maganda ng laban sa Grand Champion, si Ragnar. Grand Champion Ragnar versus Grand Champion Zeus. Sino kaya mananalo? Excited na ako dun. Bali 2 beses sila maghaharap. Maghaharap sila dito sa Ring 1 at sa Ring 2. Both ABKC International Judge. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo dun. Stop over. Pahingang konti, stretching. Uy, ganda na ito. Ay, thank you. Ito, 1100. Tingnan natin kung may clutch. Pag wala, 1100. Wala nga, 1100 nga. Solid. O yun guys, malapit na kami. Doon sa aming pupuntahan, nakita ko na doon 500 meters yung yung kay Ted's Kitchen, 500 meters nakalagay. Dito na yung banda, kaya pala nag-slow down na itong mga to. Kanina hataw sila eh. Ayun siya sa kaliwa. Ayun, may nakalagay na mga banner. Ayan na, Ted's Kitchen. Kasya kaya kami dyan? Ang dami namin eh. Oh. Ted's Kitchen, pwede breakfast. Okay. Ayan na. Dami motor. Ang ganda na ito ha. Sidecar oh. Oh. May pala pa tsaka palakol. Ayan, dami motor. Puro Honda. Oh. Yung sa gitna na. Pauwi na tayo guys. Umiwalay na ako sa kanila kasi sila bumalik pa ng na Kalamba. Tapos mag-aano sila, Turbina exit, then mag-SLEX uli. Mas malapit ako dito. kapag dumaan ako dito sa Siniluan, sa may pagsandan Siniluan, Pelia, yan, Antipolo na, o, diba? Lapit na. Ayan, o. Kasi tsaka traffic na rin doon, kaya ayoko na dumaan doon. Dito na lang tayo sa kabila, ikot tayo. Maganda pa rito, may mga twisties. Banking. Pagod ako ah. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Vape muna tayo dito. Ayan o, nakikita ka niya yung lugar na yan. Ayan o, oh. Ayan o, diba ang ganda? Sarap parang hangin o, ganda ng panahon o. Diba, pahinga muna tayo dito. Patay muna natin itong motor. Ang ganda ng scenery. Yes. Picture tayo dito, picturean natin motor. Yun. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Dito yung windmill eh. Alabas ko na ito, Marilaki. Ayan o. Wala masyado nadaan dito eh. Diba? Yo guys. Ayan o. Sarap ng hangin dito. Stop over muna. Babe. Stop over ako dito. Ayan, pauwi na rin ako eh. Mamaya dog show tayo. Papunta na rin nga yung mga tropa dun eh, sa event eh. Ako mamaya hapon lang ako rin. Wala naman ako dalang aso eh. Show. Si spouser yung alaga natin na bully, wala pa, hindi pa pwede yun. Kulang pa sa training yun. Si J-Mac, kulang pa rin. Siguro mga bandang February, March, saka natin lalabas. Oh, yan, windmill. Sarap dito, ganda ng oh. Yes. Ha? Babe. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo, lapit ko na sa windmill, oh. Diba? Ito pala mas maganda eh. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Yung mga windmill, eh, no? Kita nyo ba guys? Ayan, oh. Ito mga nakatanim dito, pinya eh. Lamig dito eh. Diba? Tara, let's go. Tara na. Para may abutan tayo sa dog show. Tama na muna ang pamamasyal. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo, ganda ng view. Ganda ng panahon. Sarap. Sabak tayo sa off-road. May konting off-road dito eh, bago maging sementado. Ewan kung bakit hindi pa nila tinuloy. Baka magkaibang barangay yan or iba na yan. Hindi na yan nasasakop ng ng Pililya. Siguro dito baka Tanay na to. Ayun, sabak tayo sa off-road eh, oh. Konti lang naman, oh. Tapos nyan, ayan na, kasada na uli. Diba? Bakit kasi hindi pa diniretso? Magkano ba gagastusin dyan? Ayan guys, oh, punta na tayo dog show, oh. So, padilim na pero hanggang mamaya pa naman madaling araw yun. Pero to si Epi, may iwan yan. Wala akong madalang aso ngayon. Ilalakad lang to ni Macbook. Baboy, si Epi guys, oh. Epi yung taba, oh. Dapat na, oh. Baboy. Ilakad mo na to? Ay, lalabas mo pa lang, sige. Lalakad lang yan ni Macbook dito. Paikot-ikot lang naman sila dyan. Ayan guys, so dito tayo sa venue na dog show. Ayan, ang swimming pool. Ayan. Dito yung mga aso. Saba, doon pala sa loob yung mga aso. Teka lang, aso, silipin natin mga aso. Teka lang. Ay, may natutulog pala rito. Sorry ah. Sorry, bibidyo lang ako ng Sa vlog to eh, sa vlog. Ayan o. Ayan mga aso. Si Zeus tsaka si Hades.
Sa pakyaw po kasi 45,000.
Ito yung mga aso, naka-aircon.
Materials, talas mabot ng kulang-kulang 200,000.
Ay, pasok tayo sa shoring. Ayun o. Store po tayo dito, may natutulog. Tara, labas tayo. Kaya nga, hindi, dahil mayayain eh. Pasok lang tayo naman sa shoring. Oo. May kota. Nakita natin yung Benson. Galing yan. Bakit may kanang yun si Ron? Eh, nakabutan natin yung classic.
Okay. 4 to 3 years and up.
Classic 3 years and up.
Classic male. second place, and for the first place, tag number 34. No, 77. That's a bit. Number 7. Best male classic.
Best male classic.
Come on, show us some love. Here we are. Go, Congratulations, number 15. And please stay as you're waiting for the battle for the best round. Go round and round.
Best classic.
And the winner goes to number 15. Congratulations, number 15. Our best classic.
Ayan guys, Excel na. Susukatin ng judge. Oo, susukatin kung pasok sa Excel. Dapat sa Excel 18 yata sa babae, 18 pataas. Okay naman, pasok naman, hindi naman pinalabas eh. Mail naman, mail. Ayan o. Isa chocolate, yun yung kay Ham. Aso niya. Ayan o, Excel. Si Kronos.
2021, please.
Ganda ng katawan eh. Ito na pa.
Wow. Okay, for the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Prophet Excel Junior, 1 to 2 years old. Here we go. The winner. The first place goes to number 13. Congratulations.
Solid din tong blue. Medyo ako.
Okay, one round. Here we go. 2 to 3 years old. Excel male. Come on, guys. Para tayo dyan. Winner goes to. Congratulations.
Panalo, ayos. Yun. Ayun pala si Kronos. Ayun o, si Kronos yung kanina sa 1 to 2. Ako ni Daryl. Ito iba pala to, kaya pala parang mas malaki. Kamukha kasi.
Okay, one round. Whoa, best Excel male. Come on, second place and the winner. First place goes to tag number 13. Congratulations, number 13. The winner for our best Excel will be the best Excel American Bully. One round, let's go.
Ganda ng top line nito. Ayun o. Diretso yung top line.
There we go. Who will it be? The winner goes to
Yun guys. Best of winners, American Bully. You know? Bakit? Tatangka to yun. Tapos ito, laki nito.
Okay, here we go.
Ito sa Classic Excel.
We have here the tackle, battle, pretty boy, and realize
Pretty boy.
go back. The best for the best of winners. Palakpakan natin ang mga winners.
Best of winners.
Wow, this is tough. Grabe yung instructors ng ating mga dogs. For everyone, let's go! Let's go for the best of winners! Come on, cheer it up guys! Palakpakan tayo dyan! wrestle players in the women category.
Solid. Okay guys, so Battle of the Champions. Scarface, yan, Scarface tayo. Scarface. Si Bingo. Si Lana, babae. Para maging Grand Champion na. Scarface. Bingo.
Weight 37 and 41. One round for the best champion. And one round, here we go. For the champion of the champions. And the winner, goes to number 37 Scarface.
Main event to, main event. Main event. Zeus versus Red Rockstar.
Here we go. Zeus versus Ragnar.
Grand Champ. Ring 1. Grand Champ no, tumahay. Natatay si ano. Yun o. Zeus. Yabang, nadulas pa. Pero yabang maglakad. Ano to guys, so, hindi nakakalam, top 2 American Bully siya worldwide. Si Zeus sa ADKC. Ayan yung kalaban niya, Grand Champion, si Red Rockstar. Grabe to oh. Malaki pusta rito. Yan ang main event eh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Silencio, yan, silence. Italiano po ang ating judge. Italy, ayan o, from Italy. Judge na sa ring 1. Silence daw, silence. Silencio. Yaward na. Ano ba yan?
We have
Zeus. Ragnar. butterfly, elation, facial expression. Ganda ng facial expression. Oh. Ang mukha niya, ganda ng facial expression.
May natuwang, may naluto. Alam niyo na. Wow.
Grabe itong si Zeus. Best of winner siya yung grand champion. Naglaban. Grabe, ang ganda ni Zeus. Best in show. Best of winners. Champion tsaka yung grand champion.
Here we go. The champion, the grand champion, and the best of winners. 2 rounds. 2 rounds. Final battle with our champion. Come on, guys.
Zeus. Panda. Grabe, ang lalaki na ito mga kapal. Yan ang bully.
Here we go. The winner goes to and the winner goes to the winner goes to the best in show goes to
Mamaya bigyan ulit natin, lalaban ulit sa ring 2. Hanggang madaling araw tayo dito. Kaya pala nag-ready si Reg ng mga kwarto, tama. Hoy, aabutin talaga tayo.
Diyan ka lang. Ah, dito lang na siya?
Oo, lalaban pa yung mamaya eh. Colossal. Colossal din, no?
Silang dalawa.
Nila ano, yung sila Yugis, no? Colossal din.
Sobrang bait yan.
Yan.
Correct and even.
Oo. Doon ang kulay rin niya, puti, no?
Pero naglabas ng layla.
Oh, hindi kasi may ano siya. Carrier din. Stock of Sonic.
Here, mapawi mo na.
Sonic Bully, stock of 5K. Mananalo.
Oh, nasa na? Yung ating, exotic. Okay, sige, male o female. Male sa kaliwa, sige, sa kanan, ating females.
Ito mga lalaki.
Here we go, mga tayo. Ito na, sabi mo sa kanyang countdown. 10 seconds. 5,000 ito, pag mabagal ka, I'm sorry.
5K sa mananalo.
10 seconds. 5,000 pesos, mainit-init. Ibigay na natin yan. 5 pesos, mainit-init. Hold on.
Free entry. May 5K na pa.
Wag na.
Putik yung exotic background.
Ginawa ko yung basic. The winner for the best exotic male singer goes to... Congratulations to all.
Ayan, ang dami niyan mga.
Nakakabaliw ito ah.
Marami po tayo males.
Dami niyan.
Okay, sige. Give us your best stack off, guys. Come on. And a ball. Here we go. For the best stack off exotic bully male. It is hard to decide.
Meron pa sa likod mo.
Meron ba? Nasa likod mo lang? And the winner for the best stack off exotic male goes to... Congratulations to the winner with 5,000 pesos.
American Bully stock off.
Meron pa rin. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. This will be
Mahabol pa to.
the battle for the best male American Bully. Best Saco winner. And who will be? Sige, bigyan mo ng best Saco mo. And the winner Boys,
Standard exotic. Ganda.
we got Bauman for 6 to 9 months. We got Zax, 9 to 12 months. We got Sub-Zero for 1 to 2 years old. We got Price Tag for 2 to 3 years old, and Playboy for 3 years and up. Max. Winner for Best Male Exotic Boy Standard goes to Price Tag.
Ganda ng French, oh. Oh, mga nitails.
This is for Best Male
Best of breed.
Exotic. Winner goes to Kevin.
Uy, Frenchie. Oh, ganda, oh. Ayan, oh.
Let's go, ring 1. Winner for Best Male Exotic Micro goes to Pennsylvania. This is for ring 1, Best of Breed. Winner for overall exotic goes to Price Tag. Let's go.
Ganda ng French, oh. Ring 1 to ring 1. Kanina ring 2. A best of breed.
We got
Dalawang ring kasi
Susie, we got
pinagsabay.
Price Tag. Best of Breed, ring 1. Winner for Best of Breed goes to Price Tag.
Mas maigpit yung judge kanina, ano? Kaysa yung...
ABKC and our church, the third Marco. Maintenance, please. Can we ask maintenance? Kayo rin sila. So we are going to be able to participate. can be seen by our judge. Okay. Okay. Front, side stack, sorry. Side stack.
Front.
Front?
Yeah.
Okay, front stack.
Third place.
Third place winner. Come on.
Winner for our third place goes to
Okay, congratulations.
Third place po
second place
Goes to. Congratulations.
and for our first place.
First place winner. Congratulations. Number.
Mahilig sa black try ah.
Round number 4. 82 and 57.
Best pocket mail.
Those are best
Bring
lead.
2. Tangkaw.
Come on, and front step.
Front step.
Front step. Here we go.
For the best male bucket.
The second place winner, sir for number 4. Congratulations. And let's go to first place.
Patangkaw ulit. Best pocket mail.
And keeping you company with Izzy and James Alec. This is Sabine.
Ito yung pinakamagang show na natapos pinakamaga.
Oops. Wait, meron na pala. We're good.
Baron.
This will just take a few minutes, I think, because we're now in the end of our standard meals on the maintenance. Advance goals to 11 and 25 and 19. Once again, 11, 25 and double vision. Then here's what happening, everyone. O, palapakan mo na dyan. Give some energy. Come on. 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Come on, group. Number 6. Okay, show us your best game. Okay, and size of front stack, everyone. Will it be third place winner?
Okay, for the third place. Congratulations for the second place.
Second place winner.
And for the first place.
First place winner.
Baron. First place. Male standard 1 to 2.
And the first place and 83. Please everyone. For the best standard winner.
Diyan si Rockstar. Kapal talaga nito. Pogi.
to number 75.
Yun uli, oh.
Our first place winner.
2 to 3
And now following
standard.
19.
Ayan, oh. 6 to 9, 9 to 2,
One round for everyone.
1 to 2,
Come on.
2 to 3, tsaka 3 up.
Number 1, come on. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Come on. Show us your best game. Here we go. We have our reserve award.
Okay,
Okay,
first
up
up.
and down.
Ano daw?
Number 83 and number 75. Head to head. Go. And one round. Okay, 75 first. And number 83. Oh my goodness, this will be a competition. And we have a winner. First place winner goes to... Hey, number 75. And the second award goes to number 83. Congratulations. And he's getting ready.
Best classic male naman. Ayan.
Okay,
Mga nanalo sa classic.
XL, female, tag number 82. And for male, tag number 13 and 58. At sobrang bilis ito, XL na natin. Kasi ilang entries na lang yan. And then, best of winners, battle champions, and grand champions. Come on! Here we have... Congratulations, number 92.
Oh, round 2, best of winners ulit. Ayan, oh. Packet, standard, classic, and excel. Tangka, banda, agri,
Cutting
rotos.
spacing na tayo. Cutting spacing. Cutting spacing. Yeah. One round. One round to everyone. Come on. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So guys, palakpakan na po tayo dyan for our best of winners. Here we go. We have your hybrid. We have your battle, bronze, and the Tatanka. Front step. Everyone, front step. Front step. Here we go. Who will it be? This is the battle for the best of winners. Best of winners, ring 2. And the winner goes to...
Banda, standard na na.
Congratulations, battle.
Battle of the champ. Scarface ulit.
Once again, ladies and
Bingo,
gentlemen,
Lana, round 2. Ring 2 to, ring 2. Kaya round 2 ng laban nila.
Name number N8E. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Come on, one round, show us your best game. And front stack.
Round 2.
Here we go. Who will be
Battle
the
of the
champion over the champions? And the winner goes to Scarface! Congratulations, Scarface, and the shirt award.
Round 2 guys.
Here we go.
Round 2 ng battle ng Grand Champion.
Now we are on the main event.
Main event ulit
It's
ito.
4:40 in the morning. And
Right.
battle of the grand champions.
Zeus.
we have here once again Zeus versus Ragnar. Everyone, this is it for the win of ABKC. Ragnar versus Zeus. Who will it be?
Ragnar. Tigas ng katawan. Ragnar. Si Zeus, number 2 dog sa ABKC Worldwide. Top 2 dog. Ganda. Sumisipa pa eh. Ito lang tapon. Wala akong makita mali.
And now, we have a winner.
Best in show. Ayan o, si Zeus, Scarface, Bandal. Last na to.
One round, everyone. Number 1, come on. One round, choose your best game. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Come on. Palakpakan mo tayo din. Best in show. Best in breeding, best in show. Cross stack, cross stack. Cross stack.
Nanginginig na ako sa lamig. Grabe rito.
Here we go. And
Nasa indang kami, lamig.
for the best